Hello everyone, I'm Annie here. Today I would like to share with you another custom order kit, and yeah, she requests like a blue color kit, pastel blue, ice blue, yeah, something like so, and with the fabric book. So this is what I made, and also all this flower is included for the kit. And yeah, I also have sell this flower in my Facebook kit group. Yeah, so you can stop by to check it out. Okay, and I'll show you the fabric book first. And this actually is a white color, and I hand dye this in the very pastel blue. This. So I use this to make a cover, and also the same is a felt, and yeah, this one I have to use the tip just in case to put. And okay, and yeah, and all this is the muslin fabric. I used to also use one of my favorite trim to bind the book together, the pictures. So I use the muslin and the felt to make the pictures and the cover. So it's like so. It's 3 inches thick and 8 by 7. So like so. This is the book. Okay. For the item, and I show you. Oh, sorry. Oh, the little kitty. The Milo, come away. Where are you? Hey, where are you? Okay, I'll show you the applique, some of the applique first. Okay, so yeah, some of the bow and applique and the tassel. Okay, and some of the blue color and some doodads in the very like a ice blue color. I do that with the, yeah, that's so. And some of the, this one you can cut it out individual flower, yeah. And this one also hand dye this one in this blue, and this also I hand dye this in the ice, like a pastel ice blue. Yeah, I don't have much, and just this the length here, so I include this into this kit. Beautiful. And some of the applique also I already hand dye with this pastel blue. Okay, different, you can cut it out and use into the project. And some of this beautiful piece here, so hand dye with this color. It's turned out beautiful. Okay, so you can cut this like a cameo piece here. This here, it's beautiful. Okay, and some of these small tiny applique with the lavender color, so include all this here. Okay, all this is the applique here, and there's some trim. And look at this. Oh, this is my cat. They love plastic bag. They're going to chew it. Okay, I'll show you the flower here. Flower is, you can see, I open it up, so you can see different of the paper flower with different of the blue color. So include all this here. This is the organza flower with the, so different of the blue. Okay, and also some of the trim hand laces here, different of the blue. And this one is, yeah, I have to show you one of my favorite, because I don't have more. If not, I will sell it some. Yeah, this one. This is very beautiful. Okay, include. Most of the laces is 2 yard. Yeah, I provide 2 yard different of the, yeah, blue. So and some more. This is the tassel. This one also hand dye. Yeah, I dye this one. And this one, the pastel, the rosette, also I hand dye this one. This is the original color, I believe. And some beaded ruffle. And yeah, so many beautiful, gorgeous items here. You can see it. And yeah, I have to open it up. Don't want to mess it up. I'll show you one. This is quite beautiful. This one. This is. I don't have any more. This is quite expensive. Yeah, you can see the glittery. Yeah, shining. Also 2 yard. So look at this. And also some of the tiny, yeah, beautiful trim. So yeah, this everything here. I will ship it out when, yeah, do all this video. So yeah, and just message to me if you want to custom order for yourself. Yeah, you want to place order. Yeah, just I will send my email below the description box, or you can message me in my Etsy shop. Yeah, just leave me a comment. Leave me a message in my Etsy shop, or just email me, or join us in our Facebook kit group. So yeah, you can DM me any color. I try my best, and yeah, see what I have, I can make it for you. Yeah, just let me know the color or the theme or whatever is your, yeah, favorite. Yeah, you can let me know so I can create a beautiful kit for you, just like this one of the blue kit. Okay, and thanks again. And yeah, I will have another sales soon, by I believe it's next month. Yeah, I will make this small, like a small kit like so, with different items in my stash. So yeah, please stay tuned. And so many, you see, box here, different items here. I have so many of these. So yeah, I have to sell some out away, because I don't want to keep so many things here, because I didn't do the permanent kit anymore. So I have to clear up my craft room. So yeah, everything I sell it in very low, reasonable price. So yeah, for the shipping, the postage, I will try my best to arrange as low as I can. And yeah, anyway, thank you for everyone for stopping by. Yeah, just contact me if you want to make us a special kit for yourself. And thank